PQCDMS, this is the heart of anything that I'm going to talk about today, right now, or whatever the Japanese do. This is PQCDMS is the heart of it. If anything is it required to be done, it must have a target. It must have a number. Then only can it be achieved and then exceeded. P stands for productivity, not production. It's a matter of life and death. Without it, there can be no growth possible, no life possible for organizations. I remember being in Singapore 2 decades back, and there on the radio, a union leader was saying that productivity is like rice for us. Just as we love life, love rice, we have to love and have productivity. Without productivity, nothing is possible. Then quality. It is to be a given. There is to be no discussion about it. And what is the quality? What is required by the customer plus. It can be a plus, but never a minus. Cost. This is to be reduced as much as possible, and the continuous thought must be given how to reduce it for customers' sake and company's sake. Delivery on time, that is dot, delivery on time in quantities that the customer requires. Not in your own thought what he requires, but what he has asked in quantities required. Morale. I wonder how many companies work that out as a target to be put in as a number and trying to, but morale target setting is very important to continue to improve the morale of the team. Safety. Do not produce without safety. Without safety, nothing should be done. The first item, productivity, is for the company. The next 3 items, quality, cost, and delivery, are for the customers. Morale and safety pertain to the people working within the company. They are for them. So everybody is addressed in that. As let me repeat, whatever I will say here on will pertain to at least one of these elements, if not more. 5S plus 1. This is the philosophy, this is the foundation of the culture. There are 2 aspects to creating the culture. One is 5S, the other is Kaizen, which I'll talk about very soon subsequently. And in terms of English, I put the Japanese words, but in terms of English, it means shifting, sorting, sweeping, standardization, and sustain. Smile, the one S that I've added is done by me. That's what I did in my company. If you're not happy doing whatever you're doing, you will never do a good job. So you have to be happy. That is the basic purpose, and all have to do it. You cannot have few doing it or not doing it. So I come to the first element in this, shifting. Remove whatever you don't need in a day or in a week away from you. If you are at a desk, everything next to you should be needed by you at least within a week. If more than a week, put it away in a shelf, little away in the room. If not even after a week, not even after a month, put it away in a warehouse, in a store. How do you do that? Put a red tag on everything that's around you. If it's a machine you're working on, put a red tag on all the tools and things around you. If you're in an office, put a red tag on everything that's around you. Remove the tag as soon as you use it. After a week, you will see how many red tags you still have. Then you think again, do you need it? If you need it, leave them there. You do that, and in a month's time, you will see that there'll be either no red tags, or with those with the red tags will be moved to another place, giving you space and making things easier for you to access. The next is sorting. So you sort them out and put them in a place where they are accessible in quantities that you need, accessible, and they are tagged very properly. That this is what it is here in case of hardware, in case of machine tools, in case of office work. This is what is absolutely important. Sweeping. Sweeping is cleaning. Cleaning you do yourself, not a janitor. There are 3 ways of keeping a place clean or not clean. Everybody dirties and nobody cleans. Second, everybody dirties and one person cleans. Third, everybody dirties and cleans themselves or they don't dirty itself. One of the finest ways of doing it, not dirtying, is to don't put anything on the floor. Even in case of a production floor, don't put anything on the floor. Put it on pallets. Don't put on the floor. The moment you put things on the floor, they get disarranged and the whole area starts to look in a disarray. So don't do that. Then whatever you have done in the first three, you standardize that. You create SOP for it. And then you sustain that. This, I have been very brief. On this, the lectures are lasting a full day, how to do these things. And while you're doing it, guys, smile. Love it. Without doing it, without loving it, I don't see this thing going very far. What does 5S leads to? Efficiency, obviously. Also improvement in quality. Because you now have access to the right things, no cluttering, and you're using the right things available at the right time when you need it, in the quantities that you need it. This affects the cost, and therefore the cost goes down. Inventory is reduced around you. Unnecessary things have been moved out, and if you don't need things for a very long time, sell them off, dispose them off. Don't keep them. Don't keep scrap around you and anywhere in the factory. Dispose it off. Even in the office, this applies the same. Keep inventory what you need. That inventory is money. Money can be in cash, money can be in kind. So do you want money? Remove the money in kind, what you don't need. It helps to improve the motivation. People are happier. The environment is better. It enhances safety. While I've gone over it very quickly, I'll just explain that the cost reduction happens because of the muda of motion. What is muda? Muda is waste. Anything where no value is added is a waste. Muda is a Japanese word. It means those activities where no value is added. How? If the things are not kept in the way that we have just talked about by shifting, sorting, and having them tagged, having them clean in quantities, you will be doing the checking for it, looking for them, checking them, finding out whether they are there or not, in quantities whether you required or not, in specifications or not. You'll be picking and selecting, considering and preparing. This is the muda of motion. Eliminate it.